Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an outline to your video in CapCut. So first get your clips ready and then just go to overlay, and under the stock videos just choose the white image and click on add, and then after that click on edit, go to crop, and then crop the size, crop the white overlay to the size of your video. Okay, and then adjust the size until it covered the whole frame like this, and then after that go to mask, click on rectangle, and then adjust the size on how much you want the outline, for example like this, and then click on invert. So it'll go like that. Click on the check icon, and then after that go to splice and click on overlay, and here you can just adjust on how much you want it. You can go like this, or you can also go with the white outline before like this, so that's up to you. Okay guys, so that is how you can add outline in your video on CapCut. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.